Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to do a quick sambar without pressure cooking any dal. First let us get ready with the masala. Take a mixie jar, add 1 dry chilli, 3 tablespoons of fried gram, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, a small piece of cinnamon and 2 or 3 cloves. Before adding some water, let us grind this dry. Now add some water and grind it again, and this way you will get a smooth paste. So here our masala is ready. Set this aside. Now take a pan, add some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves and 1 or 2 chopped green chilies. To this let us add some half a cup of chopped onions and half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now start sauteing this. You have to saute this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Once the onions turn translucent, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and give them a nice saute. Now let us add the tomatoes. 1 big chopped tomato. Tomatoes will get cooked quickly if you add some salt, so I'm going to add the salt here itself. So add the required amount of salt, give a nice saute and then add the masala. Keep the flame low. As we have used fried gram, the masala will get thick quickly. So keep the flame low, add enough water and start cooking in medium flame. We need to add water now. I'm going to add around 2 cups of water. This will give enough time for boiling. And now let this boil for about 5 minutes in medium flame. Once this consistency arrives, you can add few coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Let us transfer this into the serving bowl. This will be a best combination for idlis and dosas. Not even idlis and dosas, any rice based tiffin varieties, this will definitely suit. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.